Hello, my name is Ducky, and welcome to English with Ducky. Today's lesson is telling the time in English. We are going to learn how to read and say the time in English. Why is this important? We use numbers and words to tell the time. The clocks show hours and minutes. There are two main ways to tell time in English. There is exact, where we say, it's 3:45. And then there is relative, where we say things like, it's 3:45. And there are two main types of clocks we use to read the time. There are digital clocks, which show the numbers on a digital face, and then analog clocks, which have hands that move all around the circle to point at which time it is. Hours go from 1 to 12 and are repeated twice a day. Minutes go from 0 to 59. There is also the AM, which is morning time, and PM, which could be afternoon or evening. We can say time in exact form or relative form. In exact times, you would say, it's 3:00. It's 7:15. It's 12:30. Go ahead, you try. Good job. Relative times are spoken such as the word past, meaning minutes after the hour, such as it's 5:10. Or we use the word to mean minutes before the hour, such as it's 5:50. Then there is quarter past, which is 15 minutes after the hour. A quarter to, which would be 15 minutes before the hour. And half past, meaning 30 minutes after the hour. Some ways you can ask what time it is, what time is it? Can you tell me the time? Or, do you have the time? And when you are giving the time, you can say, it's 3:00. It's 9:15. It's 20 to 5. Or whichever time it is at the time you're giving it. Here are some examples of time on an analog clock. Here is 3 o'clock with the small hand facing the hour and the large hand facing the minutes. Then it's 6:30. And then it's 10:15. Go ahead and study these. Wonderful. Now it's quiz time. Can you tell me what time it is on this clock? Good job. It's 9:45. Can you tell me what time this is? Is it 7:15, 7:15, or 7:30? Correct. It's 7:15. Now, can you tell me what time it is on this clock? Is it 12:15, 6, or 12? Good job. It's 12. You did so wonderful. And we learned how to tell time in both digital and analog, and how to read and tell time in exact and relative. Keep practicing every day so you can be able to tell time in English whenever you need to. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe. And we have a book that you would be able to study more with and read along with me. Thank you so much.